Look, we do all kind of crazy truck projects and car vehicles. I paint, I wrap, you name it. And I like to have good lighting. Now check this thing out. You don't always have to have overhead. Overhead is great. You want a nice base. But what about the sides? All right, so I took these 8-footers, bada bing, and I created my own wall of light. But not only that, it moves. I love it. So these things are so awesome because one is they're super light, right? And when they're light, that means I can put them anywhere. And my favorite friend is a tie wrap. You can tie wrap these things anywhere you want. They're 100 watts each. And again, the strength of the frame is what allows you to put these anywhere you want. I mean, pure aluminum frame. I mean, it's strong. I'm serious. It is very difficult. You could bend it if you really wanted to get into it. Now, other things that you want to look for that these have, the connector cable. Heavy gauge. Not this flimsy piece of crap. Nice heavy gauge, good distance. So if you want to connect them, like I did here, you got to be able to have this cable in order to spread them out. And it's got a ground. Same way. Grounded plug, good gauge cable, on-off switch. They give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this is an 8-piece kit. You can do 4-piece, 8-piece, probably even 12. You can do 4-foot, 8-foot, whatever works for your situation. I like to buy as many as I can in one kit because I put them above, and now I'm making these mobile walls. I can't have enough of them. You do get these metal clips. I'm not a big fan of them, but they work. They screw into your wall or your ceiling, and they attach sort of like a channel on the back. You snap them in. You got to screw these in, but again, tie wraps if you can. When you want to just make a strong straight line, you get these little butt connectors. But when you do something like this, you're limited to how many you can put together. So you got to remember, they're 100 watts each. I think there's maybe 830 or 870 LEDs in one light. And coverage. So 270 degrees, think about spread. Meaning they use what's called a V. So you get a strip on each side. So a V, just think of a V. There's a strip on one side of the V and a strip on the other. That gives you 270 degrees of lighting. So when this baby is up overhead, I'm getting lighting out the sides as well as straight down. Fantastic. And guess what? 3-year warranty. 3-year warranty. So you can't go wrong. Price, you know what lights cost these days. Price is great. Quality is great. Durability is great. Warranty is great. What can I say? Go for it.